What's up, YouTube? Coming back at you with another SK2 haul. And this time I picked up an Allen pack, the metric ones. I have the standard. Thought I'd go ahead and get the metric so I'd have a matching set. These on the SK website, they sell for $24.64. And I also picked up the 23 millimeter 3/8 drive to finish my metal box collection that I have. And this was a $13.51, I believe. I'm a member of the Club of the Month. We get a free socket, but this one never comes up on a free socket. There's usually over 300 sockets, and so far this has not been one of them. So I broke down and went ahead and bought it. But also on this order, I got from the Steals and Deals, I picked up the 9-inch Lineman pliers. They were $33.99, regular $66.18, and this was on the Steals and Deals. They're real good quality. SK, made in USA. And also they had on the Steals and Deals was the 12-inch tongue and groove pliers. I picked those up too, and they were $24.99 on Steals and Deals, regular $50.43. So I scooped those up too. I think the total order was $97.13. Then of course, I don't buy nothing unless I got a discount code. I had a 25% off, which knocked my order down to $79.09 for these 4 tools. And what I'm really excited about is that they finally, after months and months, got the standard SAE set in. I really wish SK would come out with the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch set in these metal boxes, because I would buy them. And get it open one-handed. And it is the $15, they call it the full range set. They got another set that's I think it's a 13 piece. You don't get the two biggest ones, but you get everything else. This on the website goes for $24.98. Of course, had a 25% discount code, which knocked it down to $186.73, which saved me like $63. But I really love these sets in the metal boxes. Starts out with probably a 1/4. Yep. Goes up to 1 inch. The finish on these, I mean, you probably can't tell on camera, and I done got my fingerprints all over them. 15/16. But check this ratchet, because y'all know on my other set, the ratchet was had a bad spot in it. This one's a whole lot smoother. Maybe it's got more grease in it. But yeah, it sounds fine, feels fine. But I really do wish they'd come out with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch kit of those. And I also picked up a while back, somebody posted this on a group I'm in for SK Tools, and I've been looking for screwdrivers on the SK site. They had the 9-piece, like $197, I think. They're sure grip. I don't like the soft grip ones, but these are the last of the Western Forge inventory. This is a 14-piece. This is everything that comes in it. These were on eBay for $30 or $40. I can't remember what. So I went in and scooped up a set of them because it's way cheaper than the $197 set. But I really like these handles on them. And the company I bought these from sent me an email saying they had 2 smaller sets. Let me get this big one out the way. That they would sell for, I think, 7% off. So I think I gave like, I don't know, it's like $7 to $9 for each set. But that's the last of the Western Forge. Now the 14-piece set has all of these in it, except for one of these. I can use one screwdriver out of each of these sets because they're not in this set. And the rest of them, I may probably just take to work, or I may give them away in a drawing. Speaking of giving away in a drawing, I think you got a couple more days to subscribe, comment, and like on my last video, to be entered in that mini pocket screwdriver / pry bar to be given away. I also got a little project coming up. I'm gonna try that Raptor liner on a Harbor Freight 2-box. Gonna see how that goes. I got the blue. I thought I had the black at first. I'm gonna try the blue. So hopefully I'll be able to get that done pretty soon and a video posted on it. That's all I got for this 2 haul. So I guess it's time to close the window.